Okay, in this video I'm making the assumption that you've created your Evernote account from the Evernote website and you're ready to start using it. So there's a number of ways you can get into your Evernote account. The first way is you could use the web application. You could also log in from the Evernote app on a Mac, the Evernote app on a Windows computer, Evernote from a tablet, or Evernote from a smartphone. So with your Evernote username and password ready, we're just going to log in. So as you can see, depending on which Evernote client you use, the interface looks a little bit different. On the Windows machine, you will see a typical Windows interface. You will have your file menus and all of your other menus at the top. On the left hand side, you will have your navigation, which will allow you to navigate through your notebooks. And in the middle here, you will have all your individual notes, and on the right hand side you will have the content of those notes. On a smartphone you will have a completely different interface. You will have your notebooks listed in a stack where you can access all your notes or your individual notebooks, or by tags. We'll talk about those a little bit later. And there's also a feature called Places, but also 3 icons at the top over there that allows to quickly get notes into our Evernote account. Similarly, on a tablet you will have an interface that looks very much the same, and it's just in a different layout. If you're on a Mac, the interface looks a little bit different again, but it's still with all of your notebooks and your navigation on the left, your notes in the middle column, and the content of your notes on the right. And the web-based interface looks the same. On the left-hand side, you've got all of your notebooks and your navigation. In the middle, you've got your notes, and on the right-hand side, you've got your content. So I'm just going to close all of these windows, and we're just going to work with one of these. And I'm going to stick with Windows, because that's probably the one that you guys are going to use the most. So I'll just close all of the others. And what you will find when you first log in is that you will get a note that helps you getting started. So in the Getting Started note, it tells you that you can create new notes, you can grab in photos, and you can synchronize them everywhere or between different devices and online. So all of the clients that I had up before, if I made a change in this client over here, it will change everywhere else. In the next video, I will go through how we can set up our notebooks and just get a little bit organized for the rest of our training, and also how you might use Evernote to collect information in your workplace.